No backyard. No problem. If you've got a pot, some soil, and a little sunshine, you can grow your own food right in your apartment or on your balcony. Here are 5 of the easiest vegetables to grow in containers. First up, lettuce. It's fast, forgiving, and you can harvest leaf by leaf for weeks. Just use a wide, shallow pot and keep the soil moist. Next, radishes. They grow incredibly fast. Some are ready in just 25 days. Plant them in a pot at least 6 inches deep. Number 3 is spinach. It loves cooler weather and does great in a 6 to 8 inch deep container. You'll have edible leaves in about 3 weeks. Peppers are another fantastic choice. They love the sun and thrive in a 3 to 5 gallon pot, rewarding you with weeks of harvest. Finally, green onions. They are almost too easy. You can even regrow them from grocery store scraps. So, which will you grow first? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips.